Today I am reviewing the MSI Titan 18HX AI A2XWJG. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Let's begin with the heart of this monster, the Intel Core Ultra 9 285HX processor. Built on Intel's latest hybrid architecture, this CPU features blazing fast cores with a base clock of 2.1 GHz and boost capabilities that push performance beyond the limits of typical laptops. Whether you're deep into competitive gaming, compiling code, rendering 4K video, or multitasking across massive workloads, this chip handles it all without breaking a sweat. Paired with it is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 GPU. Yes, the latest and most powerful graphics card NVIDIA has ever put into a laptop. With 24 GB of GDDR7 VRAM, this GPU brings you desktop-class performance in a portable form. Ray tracing, DLSS 4.0, AI-enhanced graphics, ultra-high frame rates. You name it, the RTX 5090 delivers. From Cyberpunk 2077 with path tracing enabled to demanding creative apps like DaVinci Resolve or Unreal Engine, this laptop doesn't just keep up, it leads. Now let's talk about RAM and storage. The Titan 18HX AI comes with a jaw-dropping 64 GB of DDR5-6400 memory. That means zero bottlenecks, ultra-fast application loading, and future-proof multitasking. And for storage, MSI didn't just include one SSD. They went all in with two NVMe drives, a 2TB Gen 5 SSD for your OS and most demanding games, plus another 2TB Gen 4 drive for everything else. That's 4 TB of blazing fast, low-latency storage, giving you the ability to keep massive libraries of games, videos, and projects all at your fingertips. The display is another standout feature. You're looking at an 18-inch UHD plus Mini LED panel with a 3840 by 2400 resolution and a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant and accurate. Contrast is deep thanks to Mini LED backlighting, and the high refresh rate means everything feels fluid, from esports to cinematic gaming. Whether you're editing 8K footage or just watching movies, this screen is simply a visual treat. Audio-wise, MSI doesn't disappoint either. The Titan comes equipped with 4 2-watt speakers and 2 dedicated woofers for punchy bass. Audio is immersive, loud, and crystal clear, which is rare for laptops. It's a great setup for those who game or stream without always using headphones. The keyboard deserves its own praise. MSI includes a cherry mechanical keyboard with SteelSeries per key RGB lighting. It's tactile, responsive, and customizable to a degree that most gamers only dream of. Whether you're typing long documents, gaming, or just enjoying RGB aesthetics, this keyboard delivers both form and function. Connectivity is future-ready too. This laptop features Wi-Fi 7, the newest and fastest wireless standard, along with Bluetooth 5.4 and a 2.5 gigabit Ethernet port for stable wired gaming. There's also a UHS 3 SD card reader, perfect for creators who need fast file transfers from high-end cameras. And let's not forget, this beast runs Windows 11 Pro, which is ideal for gamers, developers, and power users alike. The Titan also includes MSI's AI engine with a dedicated Copilot key, adding smart features that optimize performance, thermal management, and power efficiency in real time. In terms of design, the Titan 18HX AI is a stunning piece of hardware. It's bold, black, and professional with subtle aggression. Yes, it's large and heavy. This is a Titan after all, but every inch of its size is packed with power, advanced cooling, and premium build quality. In conclusion, the MSI Titan 18HX AI A2XWJG is not for everyone. It's for the elite gamer, the high-end creator, the software developer pushing limits, and the professional who needs uncompromised portable power. If you're looking for one of the most powerful gaming laptops ever made, this is it. It doesn't just meet expectations, it redefines them.